Okay guys, this year's Evo Enduro 2019, we have these teams participating, and together with them, you will stand a chance to win a Proton X70, 38,000 ringgit cash. Yes, these are real money over here, and 2-person gets to win this, and another 10-person will be able to win 8,000 ringgit cash. All you need to do is just to buy their products from a minimum spending of 5 ringgit. To know how to enter, all you need to do is just to WhatsApp your receipt of your product and answer a simple question to this number. To understand further, go to this website to know about all these products and how to enter. Menang, menang, menang!
Menang!
Alright.
Again, Con?
If someone is they using their club fund.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Mazda. Anyway, we track it. So enjoy yourself.
Guys, it's Saturday at Sepang. It's so nice to see so many freaking Miatas here. We have people from Thailand, across Malaysia, Singapore. So I have people from the Philippines that actually flew all the way in just to celebrate with us, but they don't have their cars, so they're trying to find people with no passengers to ride shotguns. Good feeling in the air. This kind of thing only come like what? Once every 30 years? Because it's 30th anniversary. See all types of cars, guys, seriously. See how well people take care of their cars, the different personalities people have. Even personalities cars have. And we're going now.
There will be a photo opportunity on the start grid.
You guys are very jealous. I see all the cars. Now I really regret not bringing my car. We are now on track doing our convoy, and we are with the Mazda trees behind me! Woohoo! Woo! Yay, flag off! Woo! This is my sayang's first time on track! Guys, they are like, I don't know how many Miatas, 18 Miatas now on the track. Woo!
You did U-turn also?
Why you scared do U-turn ah? Lucky draw goodies!
Really,
paling ujung sini. Jadi boleh. Apa?
Makan. Tino, our photographer. What's up? guys. Okay, now I am at this place called KGSASS. I'll put it here because I really cannot remember. It's somewhere in Shah Alam, this golf club. And we're all here. Malaysia, Thailand, Singapore, and the Philippines. The Philippines actually flew in just to have this dinner with us. See all the cars here. Nicely. Where's NB? So this is the NB, this is the NC2, this is the NA, y'all know lah. ND, ND, that's the NC3. So this is actually a very special NC. This NC is actually a track NC. Because if you can see, it has 5 speed. The usual manual NC is only 6 speed. That's the difference. NB, these Thai people, they take care of their cars so well, man. See, even when they park, NA, NB, NC, ND, so nice. Malaysia leh, NA, 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 NC, NB. So yes, let's go take a walk around with people eating right now.
I eat a lot.
So we have about 160 packs here. All the Philippine guys are wearing orange. So that's their team color. Thai people, Singaporeans over there. And this whole area is ours as well. Can you imagine? I've never had a Miata meet so huge. And the energy in the air is just amazing. It's so nice to see all Miata owners. Everyone is just so inviting. Time to eat. So it's the end of Tri5.
Thank you very much. I'm happy. It's over.
I'm sad lah, driver over.
Sad in a way, but also sad lah.
Oh, it's a wrap. Tri5 is a wrap. I'm so tired, but so sad, but so happy at the same time. So many feelings. It was good, but it was so tiring. I don't know about you guys, but even me as a passenger not driving, it was so tiring. Cause I was being one of the best and one of the worst co-drivers ever. So yes, it was so amazing to meet everyone from like Thailand and Philippines. Philippines guys, props to you. You guys are so energetic. Like, so layan. Okay, for us in Malaysia, right, when we say layan, it's like you are so sporting. You really join whatever games you want to play, whatever you want to do. You're so up for anything, and we love that so much about you. And yeah, Tri5 came to an end officially. And when I was coming back, it was like 9, and I was like, it felt like 12 AM already. But yeah, so it was so amazing. It was so nice to meet all of you, especially I remember meeting, I don't know, it's just so surreal to me when I met Brian from Philippines, and then he was like, yeah, I bought my car, and before I bought my car I was watching your videos, and I met Jimmy from Singapore who was saying the same thing, and I was like, it's so surreal, like me just going, oh my god, drop the top, and then they're like, yeah, I trust this girl is the shit, man. Like, what the fuck. Yeah, so nice to meet all of you, and it's my first Tri5 and so memorable, and I don't think it would be my last. And I'm just so jealous that I didn't bring my car. But yeah, getting ready for Evo Enduro, guys. Not too sure whether this video will be out by then though. But yeah, it's been such a wonderful time. Thank you so much to everyone. We had an amazing journey lah. I mean, went 4x4 off-roading for Miatas, and the car had an issue. The clutch pump failed, so there was a Singaporean car, one of our good friends decided to stay back with us and really just pulled through with us, while another one was on standby so that we could all just travel together and leave the car at the workshop, because Miatas are 2-seaters, right? So amazing, really, the friendship that we build, the people that we meet. And it's just so amazing. Like today, the last day, we saw so many Miatas. You barely see so many Miatas. Like, I've never seen 100 Miatas ever, and we went on track. It's just amazing. It's just wow, something that I never thought I would see with my own 2 eyes in front of me. Yeah, so it was a good trip. To whoever that's watching this, thank you so much. You made my Tri5 so memorable. And I love meeting all you guys out there, talking about your NCs, especially talking about your Miata, talking about why you want to own a Miata. Like, I think Miatas, like, I don't know, tell me if you know about other cars, but I think Miata owners are the only ones that are so crazy to own, like, what, one after another, because there's just something about the car which makes you keep wanting to go back over and over and over again. Like, I know, like, I've heard stories of people buying Miata and then selling it and then regretting and then buying one again, and then another one, just buying one and then buying another one and then buying another one and then buying another one, and then it's just non-stop. So yeah, it's amazing. Miata guys are super, like, the best car ever lah, really. Thank you guys so much. I'm gonna miss you guys, and I guess I'll be seeing you next year, maybe, hopefully. Bye. Yeah, I missed it.